Greetings, my friends. Happy Tuesday to all of you. I know many of you are wondering, what exactly is the new timeline for the fourth round of stimulus checks? Well, friends, the good news is that $2,000 direct payments have been confirmed. In today's video, I will be sharing with you when you can expect to receive your fourth stimulus check. Please make sure you watch until the end of this video for all of the details. Also, I will be giving away a $75 Walmart gift card 4 days a week. To enter the giveaway, simply click and like several of my videos, and then comment below the keyword of each video that you watch. Remember, my friends, that more often you comment below a keyword on a video, the greater your chance of winning the Walmart gift card giveaway.
And I think Senator Cruz did as well, that when the signal is sent that this administration recognizes that domestic production, our own energy, is an asset and not a liability, that then sends a signal to the markets that can be real, that can be immediate, and can be transformative. That sends a signal to investors that have been holding back. That sends a signal to those who have said, and I don't think that it's going to be cost economic to go forward with this particular lease, because every indication that we're getting from this administration is as soon as I take step one, they're going to shut me down. So that can be immediate. That signal can make a difference. And all it would take is President Biden to stand in front of a microphone and say, given what is happening in this country, the unprecedented place that we are at today, the impact on everyday Americans, I've got an obligation to say Americans are going to come first, and American energy production is going to come first. He could do that today. Go ahead. Go ahead.
So here's an update on the latest state stimulus checks. Pennsylvania Governor Tom Wolf recently launched a push for the General Assembly to pass legislation that would send $2,000 direct payments to residents of Pennsylvania. The legislation will be part of the $500 million Opportunity Program, which was funded by the American Rescue Plan Act. In a new statement, Governor Wolf said, Pennsylvanians should not have to choose between paying for utilities or groceries, childcare or gas. We have the opportunity and the means to ensure they're not struggling, to ensure their success. I am asking the General Assembly to unite across aisles on the sake of every Pennsylvanian. Let's get this money out of our coffers and into the pockets of Pennsylvanians. Governor Wolf officially put forward the proposal in late April. And according to the governor, the Democratic leaders in both the House and the Senate are on board to introduce bills to support this program. Governor Wolf has stated, times are tough right now, as prices have gone up on everything from gas to groceries. I support long-term solutions to better support working families, like raising the minimum wage. But I'm also proposing a solution to help Pennsylvanians get back on their feet right now. So the plan would reportedly provide $2,000 direct payments to Pennsylvanians earning $80,000 or less. This program aims to help families still recovering economically from the crisis, or at least to support them with covering crisis-related costs and managing the current, everyday increasing cost of living. According to many news sources, Pennsylvania is sitting on over $2 billion in Federal American Rescue Plan Act aid. If not used by December 31st, 2024, the funds will be sent back to the federal government. Friends, the key word for this video is Rhode Island. If you would like to enter tomorrow's Walmart gift card giveaway, please click and like several of my videos, and then comment below this keyword, which is Rhode Island, and additional keywords of any video of mine that you watch. And do make sure that you're also subscribed to my channel. Massachusetts is another U.S. state that is taking humongous action. Governor Baker announced its plan for a second round of $500 payments to low-income workers. It is under the Crisis Essential Employee Premium Pay Program. The program was passed by the Massachusetts legislature and signed by Governor Baker in December of 2021 as part of a $4 billion spending plan for American Rescue Plan Act funds. These payments will deliver approximately $165 million to an estimated 330,000 eligible individuals this coming June. The first round of payments distributed in March of 2022 provided $500 checks to approximately 480,000 people. Individuals in the second round of payments did not receive payments in the first round. With this second round of payments, over $400 million of the $460 million program will have been distributed to all eligible individuals. The eligibility parameters for the second round of payments largely mirror those of the first round, but the criteria have been updated for annual changes in minimum wage and federal poverty level calculations. Eligibility will be based on filed 2021 Massachusetts tax returns. Individuals will be eligible for payments if their 2021 income from employment was at least $13,500 and that their total income put them at or below 300% of the federal poverty level. The legislation creating the premium pay program included $500 million for low-income essential workers. This $460 million program compromises the majority of those funds, and then the $40 million was allocated to fund previous agreements with state employee unions. Soaring demand and a lack of supply, thanks to this crisis, have led to price rises across a broad swath of goods and services. Airfares are up 40% over the last 3 months. A booming house market has made housing unaffordable for millions of Americans. The rising cost of living has become a leading political issue as the U.S. prepares for November's midterm elections. Rising prices have caused Joe Biden's approval ratings to tank. Biden has also stated that his administration is doing all it could do to tackle inflation. So, dear friends, what are your thoughts on this? Is President Biden and his administration doing enough to help the American people? Please let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. Well, my magnificent friends, that is the end of this daily stimulus update video. Thank you so much for joining me here today. I greatly appreciate all of you who are watching my videos daily. Remember, everyone, I will be giving away a $75 Walmart gift card 4 days a week. If you would like to enter the giveaways, simply click and like several of my videos and then comment below the keyword of each video that you watch. Thank you so much, my friends, and have a wonderful and blessed Tuesday.